Get personal with English. Unravel the mystery of relative pronouns. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting session on our English language learning journey. Today, we will be delving deep into the world of relative pronouns. This will be a wonderful step for you in mastering the English language, as relative pronouns are used every day in many different situations. So, let's get started. Relative pronouns are a type of pronoun that introduce relative clauses. They give us more information about people or things we are talking about. The most common relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. For instance, consider the sentence, "The person who called me was my teacher." Here, who is a relative pronoun that gives us more information about the person. Let's start with the pronouns who, whom, and whose. We use who and whom to refer to people, while whose is used to indicate possession. For example, the woman who cooks dinner is my mother. In this sentence, who refers to the woman and gives us more information about her. We use whom in a similar way, but it's often used in more formal English or in written English. Here's an example. To whom was the letter written? And when it comes to whose, we use it to show possession. For instance, that's the boy whose dog won the competition. In this case, whose is showing that the dog belongs to the boy. Now, let's discuss the pronouns which and that. These pronouns are generally used to refer to things or animals. For example, the book that I'm reading is very interesting. Here, that is providing more information about the book. Similarly, which can also be used in the same context. Like in the sentence, "The book, which is on the table, is mine." Remember, when we have a choice between that and which, we generally prefer that, without commas for essential information, and which, with commas for non-essential or extra information. Great! Now that we understand the basics, let's look at some examples of sentences using relative pronouns. 1. The man who lives next door is a doctor. 2. The lady to whom I spoke was very kind. 3. The child whose toy was lost is crying. 4. The car that is parked outside is mine. 5. The cat, which is sleeping, is very cute. Well done! We've learned a lot today about relative pronouns. Who, whom, whose, which, and that. These will greatly enhance your ability to express more complex ideas and provide additional information in your sentences. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing using these relative pronouns in your day-to-day English conversations. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!